Okay, we're looking at the January 2013 C2 paper, question 2. We're asked to use the trapezium rule with 4 strips to find an area. First, I'll write down the trapezium rule formula from the formula book. Area is equal to h over 2 multiplied by, in brackets, the first ordinate, y0, plus the last ordinate, y4, plus 2 lots of all of the other ordinates, y1 plus y2 plus y3. To work out the area, I'm going to need to work out what h is. So I'm going to draw a number line between 1 and 5, and I'm going to split that number line into 4 strips. If you draw the number line and you split it into the parts that you want, it's normally quite easy to work out what the value of h is. Here we've got 2, 3, 4 and 5. H is the width of one strip, which is 1. I need to work out what all these values are, so I'm going to construct a table of x and y values. These are my x values here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then I'm just going to work out what the corresponding y value is by substituting these x values into the function that we're trying to integrate. So if x is equal to 1, we've got 1 over 1 squared plus 1, 1 over 2, which is a half. If we substitute 2 in, we get 1 over 4 plus 1, 1 over 5. If we substitute 3 in, we get 1 over 9 plus 1, 1 over 10. If we substitute 4 in, 1 over 16 plus 1, 1 over 17. And if I substitute 5 in, 1 over 25 plus 1, 1 over 26. Then I'm going to substitute all the values here into this formula and work out what my area is equal to. Area is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by the first plus the last, a half plus 1 over 26 plus 2 lots of all of the other ordinates, 1 over 5 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 17. Make sure that you put in all of the brackets that you see there, and then you won't make any mistakes with your calculation. When you type all of that into your calculator exactly as it is there, you get a value of 0.628 to 3 significant figures. In part BI, we are asked to integrate x to the minus 3 over 2 plus 6x to the power of a half with respect to x. When we integrate, you increase the power by 1 and you divide by the new power. So, on each of these terms, I'm going to increase the power by 1, which gives me minus a half. And then I'm going to divide by the new power. I'll simplify it in a second. On the second term, increase the power by 1 to get 3 over 2. Divide by the new power. When you integrate, you need to remember to put the plus c on there. It does say give the coefficients in their simplest form, so I'm going to do that now. Dividing by minus a half is the same as multiplying by minus 2. Minus 2x to the minus a half. Dividing by 3 over 2 is the same as multiplying by 2 over 3. 6 times 2 is 12. Divide that by 3 and you get 4. Plus 4x to the 3 over 2. In the final part of the question, we're asked to find the value of this integration question with the bounds 4 and 1. X to the minus 3 over 2 plus 6x to the half dx. We already know what it integrates to, so I'm just going to put this result right here. I don't need to worry about the plus c anymore because I've got bounds. I'm going to substitute in 4 and 1. I'm going to set it up as a subtraction to start off with, and then sum my values in and work out what the answer is. Minus 2 half plus 4 times 2 to the 3 over 2 minus 2 times 1 to the minus half plus 4 times 1 to the 3 over 2. At that point I'll just type all of that into my calculator and work out what the answer is, and you get an answer of 29.